First, apply the glass coating to the surface of the glass. Next, select the image you want to print in the software, set the correct size, and export it. Then, select the image you want to print in the printing software. In the job settings, check both reverse and horizontal mirrored. Also check both color ink and white ink. Then use the crosshair cursor to adjust the X-white edge distance properly. Then start printing. Please note that after selecting reverse, the machine will move in the opposite direction, changing from right to left.